Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope guys you will be fine. You will see the stylish and unique, the most beautiful and amazing all cross stitch and embroidery designs items for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos and you will never miss any video, any collections, and you will see the stylish, fancy, unique, all fancy cross stitch and embroidery designs. Good and stylish, unique, new, different styles and different pattern designs ideas for my channel. All fancy cross stitch and embroidery designs ideas. And more than hundreds of new designs I just begin my channel. And unique new border designs ideas for my channel. Creative and attractive and unique new, more than hundreds of new designs ideas daily on my channel. So guys, you will see the stylish and unique new modern all fancy cross stitch embroidery designs and cross stitch hand embroidery designs. On trend upcoming stylish all fancy hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Dark colors, light colors and different color contrast, unique new fancy cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Latest unique new, more than hundreds of new designs ideas, all professionals, women, beautiful, mother of the bride, plus size women, mother of the bride dresses designs and groom dresses designs ideas for my channel. Creative and attractive all fancy cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Latest unique new best patterns and amazing all border designs and unique new fancy cross stitch hand embroidery designs.